What's up, YouTube? So I have a birthday coming up. Actually, by the time you see this video, my birthday would have passed already. Oh, thank you to everybody saying, but thank you, I appreciate it. So I don't really celebrate my birthday. You know, it's not really a big deal to me. Like after I passed 25, anything after that I was just glad to be here. So, you know, it's just, you know, it's not really a big deal to me. But it's a big deal to other people, you know. They want to call and text and all that kind of stuff, so I appreciate it. But for myself personally, birthdays are not a big deal for myself. You know, wifey's birthday, all that stuff got to be a big deal. But for me, it's not really a big deal. So, you know, regardless of the fact that I don't celebrate it, you know, every year, you know, wifey's going to ask, what do you want for your birthday? Now, I know some guys take advantage of that question, right? You ask for all kind of stuff. Let me tell you something. You know what I ask for, YouTube? And this is something you guys should really consider. Whenever your girl asks you, what do you want for your birthday? The best thing you can ask for is peace. Listen to what I'm saying. Ask your girlfriend or wife or whoever, wifey, ask her for 24 hours of peace and yes. It's the only two things. Say, I want 24 hours of peace and yes. That's much better than asking her for something for the car, some sneakers or something. Ask her for 24 hours of peace. That means no nagging, no questions, no crazy stories, none of that kind. You don't want to hear about none of that for 24 hours. And also, yes. Because you know she's going to say, that's all you want? And you be like, you know what? Throw yes on that list too. That's all I want. It won't cost you nothing. But you know what? Even though it won't cost her anything, it's going to be the hardest thing for her to give you is 24 hours of peace. She gonna start sweating, she gonna start stressing and shaking and all of that, because you know it's gonna be something she want to tell you or something she want to complain about, but you just gotta remind her, you know, it's my birthday, and you know. I'm telling you guys, listen to me carefully, because women don't understand that men communicate a little different. We're a little different. We process things different. When they tell a story, it go way over to people you don't know. And they say, do you know whoever? And then you be like, nah, I don't know them. And then they want to tell you how they know them. So you know what I'm talking about, guys. Too many words. So this is what you do. Ask them for peace. Just say, babe, that's all I want. Now, it could go wrong depending on your woman. She may say, what are you trying to say? You don't want to hear my mouth? You know, all that kind of stuff like that. You say, no. You say, listen, I'm a year older and I just want a full day of self-reflection so I can figure out what I need to do in order to be a better man for you. You cannot lose, YouTube. I ain't steer you guys wrong yet. For you guys that don't listen to me, I don't know what's wrong with y'all. The rest of y'all that do, you let these people know that I ain't steer you wrong yet. I'm telling you, that works. It works, YouTube. So you know what I want for my birthday? 24 hours of peace and yes. Now real quick, on the yes, that means she has to say yes to anything you ask for the whole day. She can't say no to anything. So whatever you ask is totally up to you. But don't abuse it, because then you know what's going to happen? If you guys ask for something too stupid, let me tell you what's going to happen. Number one, her birthday's going to come up and she's going to remember that. And number two, next year, when you tell her you want peace and yes again, she going to remember this year and she's not going to give it to you. She gonna go out and buy you some tight boxer briefs. By the way, men should not wear boxer briefs. I'm telling y'all right now. If y'all wear boxer briefs, cut that out. Men should not wear boxer briefs. Regular old man boxers is the way to go. Anyway, that's where we are, YouTube. So let's get to the video.
Let's go. You can see the pictures I paint, son. If I ain't the king of New York, then it ain't one.
That's another one getting dropped off right now. I think the belt snapped. We're gonna find out in a second. Hold on, YouTube. What's up, YouTube? So today we are working on this 2009 Mercedes-Benz CLK 350. Look at it. Pretty car, right? It's pretty. Woohoo! So what happened is she was driving and the idler pulley locked up and snapped the belt. And that's why it's here. So hold on, let me show you something. You guys don't believe this. This is all that remains of her idler pulley. Now, the reason I took it out already is because I thought I was going to be able to take it up and go to the auto store and make sure I got the right one. But this is all that was there. Now, let me show you what it's supposed to look like. Hold on. This is this. You see? These are exactly the same part. But you see? So this is the new one. And well, this is the old one, in case you couldn't tell. Now, personally, I think it's a little stupid design. It comes with the screw, but see, there's a whole lot of plastic in here. It's plastic in here. I think there's some in there, you know, because the bolt comes with it. So, I don't know. They should have just used the bigger bolt and keep all this plastic off. I'll show you why when you guys see the footage of me taking it off. But anyway, yeah, you can see right there where it melted inside. But anyway, so just for good measure, I'm going to do that one. And I also bought the other pulley as well. It wasn't bad yet, but, you know, I always tell you guys, I've told you guys in more than one video to always change the idler pulleys because they seize up at any time. So I'm going to do that and a new belt. All right, YouTube, so that's it. On that note, YouTube, let's get to work.
It's hard to be honest, man. Honesty is not the greatest thing to be. It's just no one wants to hear, yeah. Especially your woman, you know, she don't want to hear that. Because men, it's hard for us to love you and like you at the same time. It is what it is. Once a man loves you, he no longer likes you usually. So I'm going to give you some advice, ladies, on how to keep your man liking you once he loves you, if that's possible. This is what I think. Men want to be alone, but we don't want to be by ourselves. Does that make sense at all? Meaning, really, look at this guy looking at his wife like, not you, sweetie, but sort of you, kinda. We want you somewhere, like in the dwelling, just not here, like just like around the corner, in the vents. You can sit in the vent, I don't care if you want to watch me, but in the on the roof, anywhere, but just not in front of me, trying to be my friend. What you doing? What you doing? Watching baseball? Why you watching baseball by yourself? How come you didn't get me up? You snuck out of bed. Why'd you didn't get me up? I want to watch baseball with you. What you doing? Why you down here by yourself? Move over. Move your leg off that ottoman where it's comfortable so I can sit next to you and wrap my leg around your leg and some weird I love you hot vine. Move over. Give me your arm. Give me your arm. Give it to me. Let me give it. Come here. Give me a kiss. Mean it. Mean the kiss. You love me? Say it. Say it. Mean it. What you doing? What you eating, a hamburger? You shouldn't be eating a hamburger at 11. It's too early to eat a hamburger. Let me go make you a better sandwich, a turkey sandwich on 47 grain bread with No mayonnaise and bean sprouts. Tastes like rat turds and twigs. Ain't that better? Ain't that better? A dry sandwich you don't want? Ain't that better? Why is the TV so loud? Well, turn it down. Ain't that better? Can't hear the TV, got a dry sandwich you don't want? Ain't that better? Why is it so cold in here? Why is the ceiling fan and the air conditioner? Turn it off. Ain't that better? Sweating, wrapped up into a hot vine, can't hear the TV, got a dry sandwich. Ain't that better? Why is it so dark in here? Let some sunlight in.